Okay, so what I'm going to address right now is properly using first name and spouse name in a project. So first up, I'm going to show you this card and what is wrong with setting it up this way, and then I'll show you how to properly use those merge fields together so that they display correctly on all of the cards that get printed. They display fine on your project, but when it's printed, there's a huge difference between this card and this card, and I'll show you why right now. So the first one is this one, the original card. It says, nope, that's not the original card. This is the original card. All right, so it says, have a great name, a great day, first name and spouse name. What is wrong with this is that first name and spouse name, when used in a project like this, need to appear together all on one line, because what the system does when it's all on one line is it recognizes that if there is not a spouse name in the spouse name contact record, then the system will remove the ampersand sign and the spouse name and put the exclamation mark or any punctuation that follows. It'll move it to this spot here. So what I did, and the same goes for inside the project, it's also done incorrectly here. So when I edited the project, I reduced the font size to accommodate 2 of the longest names in the history of the world, because you just never know. I like it to take up all one line. I could actually make this text even bigger, because yeah, nobody's name is going to be that far. So that's fine too. But as long as your text box expands from this little blue line, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but from this line to this edge over here, and maybe even just a little in of that. So I'll modify that. So I'll recenter. Okay. So it's just a little inside that line, because that's the bleed line. You don't want to go outside that. Or the cut line, not sure which. So as long as it is all on one line, it's going to display correctly on your projects. On the inside, I did the same thing and put it all on its own line. Okay, I should probably expand that out too. Okay, hit save and return to saved projects.